Every organization is looking to optimize their processes, as well as secure themselves from ever-growing threats. As a result, there is an increasing demand for secure Agile programmers who have the relevant training and experience in Agile methodologies that relate to not only software development, but to secure programming. Agile Secure Programmers act as mentors and leaders for all aspects of secure Agile programming. They have mastered foundational programming techniques and are well on their way to becoming a more secure aware programmer. Do you want to speed up development time, make the best use of resources, and create secure products and services? Skillsoft Aspire learning journeys are designed to move people forward within their organizations. These intentionally designed courses start by ensuring that programmers, who are already familiar with foundational programming concepts, gain a better understanding of secure Agile development. And programmers can start working on their secure Agile programmer skills by diving into the foundational programming standards that an individual needs to master before setting out on the path to secure programming. From there, programmers may move into the secure programmer role, whose job it is to anticipate the unexpected in code and software systems. Next up is the defensive programmer track that focuses more on continual testing and hardening of all security layers. Then finally, if they aspire to, they can become an Agile Secure Programmer who brings together all the insights and knowledge acquired throughout their journey to implement various secure Agile programming methodologies for the greatest business impact. Let's take a look at what your Programmer to Agile Secure Programmer journey will entail. The Programmer track is the first step in the journey towards becoming an Agile Secure Programmer. Programmers will often have a strong understanding of foundational skills, but need to acquire an in-depth knowledge of the standards that an individual is required to master before setting out on the path to secure programming. Without these core skills, they won't be able to transition to becoming a more secure aware programmer. Your journey will begin with the key standards and methodologies of programming and software engineering, software modeling and UML, best practices for coding, and key aspects of software testing, software validation, and bug tracking. It also explores user acceptance testing and how to use software metrics and verification. Secure programmers are typically focused on applying the key concepts of secure programming practices. They aim to avoid common programming errors that can undermine security, as well as incorporate validation and verification into their programming projects. Track 2 of your journey focuses on the use of authentication and authorization, common vulnerabilities and their counter techniques, various threat models, the OWASP Top 10 Commonly Encountered Vulnerabilities, and Java, Python, C#, and JavaScript secure coding. The track also examines how to utilize cryptographic algorithms, counter common software attacks, and how to write resilient code in Java, Python, C# and JavaScript. The third step in becoming an Agile Secure Programmer is the defensive programmer role, which deals with applying defensive concepts and techniques to improve and secure software products. They are actively involved in developing code with a secure mindset, while ensuring that best practices are followed and that code has gone through secure testing. The training in this track progresses toward the final role of the Agile Secure Programmer by covering the CERT Top 10 practices for secure coding, how to use the open source security testing methodology, Six Sigma principles, and the flaw hypothesis method to improve and secure your programming practices. It then dives into how to handle exceptions and apply validation in Java, Python, C# and JavaScript, implementing encryption and advanced defensive coding concepts and practices, such as session and risk management, assertive programming, and intelligible exceptions. Learners will also implement defensive coding techniques, such as filtering, resilient code, recoverable code, parameter checking, and validation. They'll also perform unit, regression, and integration testing, as well as use security metrics and track security bugs. The fourth and last step of your journey will bring together the key learnings acquired throughout your studies. Agile Secure Programmers at this stage can take their understanding of secure programming techniques and improve on them by applying Agile concepts. This track caps off your training by covering iterative software approaches, differences between Agile and Waterfall, and creating a secure Agile culture, Scrum, lean software, extreme programming, and rapid application development. It also explores best practices for secure Agile development, secure Agile modeling, and how to incorporate Agile software testing techniques into secure programming. So where will your journey take you? All our Aspire journeys for technology and developer are created based on a proven approach to learning design, which takes advantage of multimodal learning tools. From videos to books, learners have access to a multitude of resources that will orient them to key work functions and daily challenges. Learners can also apply concepts and manipulate secure code with hands-on practice labs done virtually using real equipment and applications, so that each learner can practice and develop their skills without compromising their own company's systems. At the end of each track within a journey, users must demonstrate their newfound knowledge by passing a rigorous final exam. Once a journey is fully completed, learners can continue their growth and move on to another area of study. Secure Agile programmers can move on to security analyst, to security architect, or the penetration tester to SecOps engineer journeys at their own pace, enabling employees to continually learn, evolve, and develop their skills.